Assalamu alaikum, back again with another tutorial. We have already made this beautiful dress. Now let's make the hijab. Let's jump right into it. Get 1 yard of fabric and fold it in half. If you are new here or missed the video that shows you where to measure and how to measure when it comes to measuring for a hijab, I'm going to pin it right up here. First measurement that I'm jotting down is the back of the hijab's length from the forehead all the way to however long you want it to be. This measurement here, it is standard for toddlers, 11. Right where you mark that 11, move out 10 inches and mark it down. Now measurements from earlobe to earlobe across the forehead. And then you just connect from that number all the way to where we mark that 10. Just connect those two dots together like so. You should have something that looks like this. Make sure you have a little curve right here. You are done with the back piece. Go ahead and cut it out and let's move on to the front piece. This is what you should have once it is all cut out. All right, moving on with the front piece from under the chin all the way to however long you want the front piece to be. Now the measurement from earlobe to earlobe underneath the chin. From here, this is standard for kids. You're going to measure 7, and then right from that 7, you're going to move across 10. Then just like we did the back piece, we're going to connect these two dots here together, draw a line, and we're just going to cut everything else out. You will end up having this, and it's basically just the mini version of the back piece. But this side, it's open instead of it being folded in, making it 2 pieces. All right, now get any additional piece that is either 8 or 10 inches in width and 20 or 30 inches in length and iron it down. We're going to go ahead and fold it in half, and this is going to be the band across the forehead. This part right here should be 4 inches long. Then you're going to take it and we're going to measure to 8.5. You see what I'm doing here? I'm holding it to the end here and I'm just moving it down until I reach that 8.5 inch. I mark it down and then just trace the lines all the way across and then just cut across the line that I have made. You should have something that looks like this. Now get your back piece. We are going to connect here to the back piece. You're going to open it up like so and only connect one side exactly how I'm doing. You are going to sew it from one end all the way to the next. Then once you're done connecting that, it should look something like this. Go ahead and iron it down to just make it more neat. Then we're going to connect this other piece that we did not connect. We're going to fold it in like so. And again, you're going to do the same thing and just sew all the way across. You should have this. Now let's connect the front 2 pieces together. You're going to take one side, pretty sides together, lay it on top like so. All right, now you're just going to sew along here and here. Once you're done, it should look something like this, more like a bat or a bird. Also, make sure you hem the sides like so. So when you're connecting them, they're all neat. Now let's connect it, and this is actually it. You're done. Once you put pretty sides together, you're going to sew along here. And then once you're done with that, don't forget to hem the bottom, press it, and iron it down to make it nice and neat. And you are done.